I want to be a great storyteller. In order to become a great storyteller, I need to tell more stories. So, here is a story about going to the lake. The lake story. It all started on a beautiful Saturday morning as we headed out of Dallas and went to the lake. We were welcomed by two of our main characters, Tate and Jordan, who shot this unreal FPV shot. That's Whit. And we can't forget about Sarah. And, of course, Jim. Tate and Jim had to check on the boat to make sure things were up and running and good to go. Once things were set, Tate hopped in the driver's seat and we jetted off. Whit and I had some fun flying our drones around and trying to get some cool shots. So, without further ado, check out this unreal FPV shot Whit got taking off from the back of a boat. You can see my color grade sliding across the screen. We're just bringing the real colors that are there to life.
Hey. Have your drone out? It's so pretty.
I know, it's real pretty.
I cannot imagine that.
Here, look at me, Sarah.
Hey, this is the LED I was talking about. On the.
So you're not gonna have the bumpers on this one?
No.
This one.
This one's like more agile.
I'm gonna try to get a shot of it. Okay, go. Oh, I got a shot for you.
You did that on purpose. Okay. Or something.
Gosh, scary. Whit needed to grab another FPV shot because the sunset was too good to pass up.
He uploaded them all to Google Drive, and I looked at it to see how big the file was. One photo was 100 megabytes. It's like you could fit a whole movie inside that one photo.
I just finished 50 terabytes of storage.
Did you
I don't
really?
even
Yes,
know
sir.
He's trying to get one that he can mount one of those on. It'll
Like
be like,
a camera like just like that?
yeah. Isn't that crazy?
Hey, sir.
I wish we were out
This
here like
house is,
30 minutes prior.
I think
I
the
know.
nicest property on the
It
lake
does.
right here.
Right here, this one.
And this one over here is the second.
Yeah, that one is huge.
Dude, I know, it's so badass. Hey, Mr.
Jim
That's
is
his
my
dad.
He goes by Uncle Jim.
Uncle Jim.
Oh, like Jordan's son, Jeffrey. I go, no, call me Uncle Jim.
Cute. Wow, that's pretty.
Is it kind of looks like some Tron Legacy stuff? You know, that really cool turquoisey blue. Like feel. Then we headed back for dinner. Then it was time for some legendary hacker fireworks.
Always, forever remember you make everything better. Let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let your love shine. 'Cause you light up the world with a smile every time. You're so bright, it's contagious, shining every day and night. So take your light and let it shine.
Wow.
Just let it shine.
Did you wait when it ended?
No, it was so funny. To my left, there's no one there. There's no one behind me. I was like, okay, I was left here. I'm gonna go to bed. I walk in my room. The bed is totally made. Where the heck is Jordan? And I like went and searched the media room again, and then I went back and I was like,
What the heck?
she was folded over in that middle love seat,
So
with, like
comfy.
pillows all over.
Oh my
I
god.
totally missed her.
She made cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls?
It's just those are
Sarah, no cinnamon rolls?
it is, and like we've been.
Came to me, you pulled me from the deep, my lightning in the dark, set fire to my heart, never let me go.
Fun fact about Jim is all the artwork that you'll see in his house was completely done by him, including the staircase.
This is the beginning. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. This is the beginning. been dreaming for so long. Said we'll make them all come true. Now our story's just about to be told. This is the beginning.